Hi guys, welcome to the growth marketing channel where today I'm going to cover how to get into ZoomInfo and get some customers with intent for a very particular technology company called Snowflake. And we are trying to help one of my customers who has a consultant who is rolling off. They specialize in this technology. Now we got to get them some new customers who are searching with intent to deploy or look at the Snowflake technologies under data management, which is the subheading of the technology. So let's get to it. We're going to go into ZoomInfo. If you don't have uh, an account with them, um, then I don't know what you're going to do, but you're stuck. But you can watch me on how I do it. And we're going to get some warm contacts who are keen to engage. And what we're going to do is really focus on drilling down the information and getting about 15 to 20 contacts that we can call on and see if we can get a Snowflake project started. So join me. This is the journey from 10 million to 100 million for this company. We're going to grow it on this channel. So stay tuned. Let's log into ZoomInfo. So when you log in for the first time, if you haven't used ZoomInfo before, you have an admin portal, sales portal. We're going to log into the sales portal. I've taken already a couple of data sets on the company, its previous clients, the types of technologies and services that they provide. That data is already inside ZoomInfo. So when you come to the dashboard here, what you're getting is suggestions based on your company information. And so we're just in the process of setting this whole infrastructure up. So this is brand new. I'm learning it for the first time. You're going to learn it as well with me on this journey. So don't forget to like and subscribe on this channel, okay? So let's get started. I'm going to go into advanced search here, and we're going to go down, and we're going to first make sure that we have that set up. Locations, company revenue, we're not going to go into there. Move this a little bit down. We're going to go into intent signaling, and let's select business intelligence. Now we're going to go into data analytics. No, what were we doing? We're doing snowflakes. Snowflake is under data management or database. It is under one of these. There it is, data warehousing. Snowflake. So we're going to make sure that they have a high intent to really kind of have been searching about the technology. I don't know how ZoomInfo tracks that information, but this is people with high intent over the last 2 weeks, not 12 weeks. We're going to narrow that window down so that we have more of a relevance when we call in. They will engage with us. We're going to make sure it's the IT decision buying group. So that kind of eliminates a lot of the non-IT folks in the companies. And let's have a look. How many companies do we narrow this down to? So 16 companies in the last 2 weeks have searched for Snowflake or anything related to Snowflake, technologies related to that. And these are those companies. And so what we're going to do now is go into quick view. And this is how I quickly drill down and get the contact info really quickly for the first top 3 companies. So let's make sure, yeah, we have the intent score set to high. So one thing I do is I evaluate whether they're likely to engage or not, and then make sure that the roles are in alignment with the decision makers that are going to give the call on whether a Snowflake project goes in or not. So directors and VPs are typically it. So we want the VP of technology, VP of IT and operations as well. We're going to select application development VP, enterprise solutions director. I'll also get this person and one more director. I'll get this one too. So that gives us about 7 contacts out of the 26. We're gonna hit export, and that should get us a list done. I'm gonna pop that up here real quick. My computer is running a little slow because I have a million tabs open. And there we go. Okay. Let me see here. I think that should be it. Broadcast. Okay, cool. So now we have phone numbers and emails. I'm gonna have to block those off. But yeah, there you go. Now, what I do next is pretty much compile the list of 3 companies that have the highest intent into one single sheet. And then we're going to send that over to our sales team. They're going to hunt down these executives and directors and see if we can get a Snowflake project done. So that's our video for today. Quick overview on how I get intent-based warm leads from ZoomInfo to my sales team so they can follow up and be able to get a project closed. Stay tuned on this channel for more videos like this. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.